In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start an affiliate program on your Shopify store using the UpPromote app. We're diving into a simple step-by-step guide to get you up and running smoothly. Let's begin. First, head over to your Shopify admin page. This is your central hub where all your store's magic happens. Once you're there, find and select the settings option. This is where we'll start configuring the necessary tools to set up your affiliate program. After you're in the settings, look for the apps and sales channels section. It's the spot where you can manage your installed applications and explore new ones that might benefit your store. Next, we're going to make our way to the Shopify App Store by clicking on it. Here, type GoFro into the search bar. This is the app we'll be using to manage our affiliate program. Once you find GoAF Pro Affiliate Marketing, click on it to see more details about what it offers. If you think it fits your needs, it's time to move forward and click on Install. There will be a couple of prompts confirming your intent to add the app to your store. Simply follow these instructions through. After installation, navigate back to the Apps section and you should see GoAF Pro in your list. Click on it to open the app. Initially, we're going to set up the look and feel of the affiliate portal. This means customizing the user interface in accordance with your brand's aesthetics. Access the affiliate portal settings, click on Change to edit the URL if needed. Doing so ensures it aligns perfectly with your branding strategy. Continue by personalizing the store profile, change the store logo, and tweak the appearance of your landing and sign-up pages. Ensure these visuals are appealing and in line with your existing branding. A coherent visual identity makes your program seem professional and trustworthy to potential affiliates. Move on to editing the affiliate dashboard. This is what your affiliates will interact with, so make sure it's intuitive and aligned with your brand elements. Next, you'll need to adjust the settings within toolbars and commissions, focusing on how you will compensate your affiliates. Find the default commission section and click on Change to adjust the commission rates according to your preference. A fair commission structure can motivate affiliates to promote your products more enthusiastically. Lastly, take some time to configure coupons. These are a great way to provide benefits to customers while allowing affiliates to track their performance. By strategically setting up coupons, your affiliates can offer enticing deals, driving up sales and enhancing the reach of your promotions. By taking these steps, you've effectively set up an affiliate program that not only aligns with your Shopify store's look and feel, but also enhances your brand outreach through motivated affiliate partners. Thanks for joining me today, and happy selling.